Installing your new wood blinds will be a breeze. Follow these steps and you'll have them up in no time. First, make sure you have these tools handy, as well as all the original package contents. First, let's install the mounting brackets. Each bracket comes with holes for either an inside mount, outside mount, or ceiling mount. Depending on what you measured for and the look you want, placement will be different, but the process will be similar. Hold the brackets up to mark where you'll pre-drill the hole for your bracket. Pre-drill the holes that you have marked, and then you're ready to install the brackets. For an inside mount, screw the brackets into the side of the window frame like so. Be sure to use 2 screws per bracket. After the brackets are installed, if your product has valance clips, please attach them to the headrail before installing the blind in place. Then, set the headrail into the brackets, swing the covers down, and snap them closed. When mounting the brackets or valances, just remember all products will have different looking mounting brackets or valance clips. Be sure to check your enclosed instructions. If your product has magnets, all you'll have to do is place the valance on the headrail like so. When completing an inside mount, your finished product should look like this. And an outside mount should look like this. And boom! We're done! Now on to some relaxation, or the next project.